Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're over here on the river. Brought the family out today. Got the wife and the two little ones. And we are paddling up the river. We're going to do a little bit of swimming, do a little bit of fishing. Got the wife in the Outback. She's never been in it. She's going to give it a go. We've got a couple little chairs strapped down to the back with the kiddos on. And like I said, pretty awesome to be able to paddle up this river. Do a little bit of swimming and stuff. So I've actually come over to the river a few times, guys, and I'm not really sure how exactly this heat is affecting this river. I mean, it's obviously when it gets hot, it affects the fishing. It changes on the lakes. Usually the river's still pretty consistent because it always stays a little bit cooler. Water temps on this river usually stay around 66, 67 degrees. But I heard that they're doing some work on a dam up above Cherokee, which means, you know, I guess Cherokee's got to keep their water levels up, and they haven't been generating much. So this water temperature over here on the Holston has consistently been around like 82, 83 degrees. And you think that that has to have an effect on these smallmouth bass that are just really used to that really cold water all the time. So like I said, we've been over here fishing. We haven't done really good. I'll probably go ahead and play you all some of our trip the other day and show you just a few of the catches we made. And let me know what y'all think. Let me know if them not generating on this river, having that colder water, is affecting the fishing like that. I think, you know, we'd probably do a little bit better on upriver into those shoals where it's generating more oxygen and stuff, but down here, it's definitely tough fishing. So enjoy the video, guys, and like I said, we're gonna go up here and have a little bit of fun, exploring the cave, and maybe even catch a couple fish. We'll see. So really, there he is. Thing's lit up. So we got him. I saw a bunch of bait over here. I knew if there was bait, there'd be something. Had him. Got him. Hey Josh, there's your spot. What? There's your spot. Spotted bass. Little guy, little spot though. It works pretty good. I don't know if it'll float or not. Look at her, boys. Oh, golly. Oh, it's a big one, I think. Oh. Not a bad one. He's fighting. He fought so hard. I was like, good Lord. Get up here. I bounced that thing right off that concrete, I mean that metal. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take that, especially after today. I mean, hey, my Ned rig got stuck on the thing and then fell off. And then he had me wrapped up in something down there. I don't know. That's why I didn't think I had a fish. And then I felt him pulling and I was like, oh, that is a fish. Trying to get a little warm. Oh, I thought you were about to set the hook on. Oh, you are. Oh, dude. Oh, that's something big, ain't it? 7-pound largemouth. Oh, it is a drum. No! Hey, at least it's something though. Oh, drum. I'm gonna stick it on these though and show it to the buddies. Let him hang out and breathe. Oh, thank you. Check it out, guys. We found some type of baby bird. I don't know what it is. Little guy's still alive though.
Look at its claws.
An owl, I think.
Oh, it's got bugs all around it. It's hurt. I bet it's hurt.
Yeah.
Its face.
I don't know what that is. There's skulls everywhere.
Crazy. Alright guys, well that is going to wrap up another video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Got the family, we're about to head back down the river. Got one little spot I'm gonna make a couple casts in, see if I can catch one fish on this trip, but it was more just a little family thing, and I kind of wanted to piece these two videos together, kind of show y'all. This wind is blowing just like crazy too. Just wanted to kind of show y'all the float I did with my buddy Josh over at Tennessee Custom Tackle and my buddy Nathan over at Scruffy City Fishing. We just did a little river float. It was super, super tough fishing, and I figured we'd come over here today, have a little fun, and I'd kind of piece this thing together and show y'all some fishing and just some family fun. So like I said, as always, appreciate y'all watching, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Oh God, it's big. Hurry. Hurry, keep pressure on it, keep pressure on it, keep pressure on it. Keep pressure on it, keep pressure on it. Get it. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Get it up here. All right, pull it up. There you go. Boom! Looky there, Mom. We've got a baby owl, and now we're catching fish.
Let me hold it.
I got you. Hold on. We'll get him. We'll be back. Bubba, let Bubba get it. This is a giant, Bubba. Yeah, he can. Hurry, stand up. Go. Big one. Okay. Oh my goodness, man. Fight it, bro. Fight it.
That might be a baby carrot.
Dude, look at that one, bro. Look at that one. That was hectic. Lena, like I said, got it freaking out.